Welcome to Imagine Dads. I'm Akira, and in this video, I want to give you 3 tips on how to keep dating your significant other. But first, let's roll that intro. So tip number 1, acknowledge the little things. Acknowledge how much you love the way your kid smiles at mom. Tell her thank you for giving your kid a bath. If she's a stay-at-home mom, acknowledge how great of a job she does at taking care of the house. And when things get hectic around the house, let her know it's okay and you want to help and do this together. And if she's working her career, let her know how proud you are of her and recognize the challenge it is to work her career and be this amazing mom. Or in other cases, if she's in school trying to further her education and work and be a mom, there's so much opportunity there to really support and gas her up because that's such a huge daily accomplishment. There should never be any shortage of things to acknowledge, and nobody knows all the things to celebrate more than you two. So take a moment to yourself, write it down if you have to, and imagine how good it's gonna feel when you see her reaction to the things you recognize. Things I love to recognize in my wife is how hard she's worked throughout her career to be in the position she's at in her company today. And she absolutely never gets tired of hearing how much I'm proud of her. All right, if you're getting any value out of this, please smash that like button. Tip number 2, creative surprises. Guys, look, it's absolutely not enough if you know all the answers to what's her favorite color, what's her favorite food, what's her favorite place to eat. Never stop dating your significant other. Always remember why you're excited to surprise her. So if you know all the answers, keep that spark alive by using that information to really surprise her. Fortunately, I know Kylie loves surprises of all kinds, so it doesn't matter if it's chocolate from the checkout counter or matching mom and son themed shirts. She loves them all equally. She just loves surprises, and I love surprising her. Tip number 3, I call this one the loop-de-loop. Start up a conversation with your significant other about something you both went through together in the past and bring it current. Reflect on what you both shared together and celebrate the win of being in the present because you made it through those times. Taking a second to recognize how you both win together is an exciting way to really appreciate how much you already have. One of the things that Kylie and I love to reflect on is how we started off dating in this tiny apartment to now living in our beautiful home we use to host our family gatherings. We are so proud of each other and we love celebrating this win together. So there's my 3 tips on how to keep dating your significant other. Please comment below what tips helped you and if there's any ideas you have to share. To all you amazing dads out there, you smooth operators, keep it classy. If you made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Please give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications because I drop one new video every week and you don't want to miss it. To everyone out there, love as much as you can, love as great as you can. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.